Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I brought a new update for you regarding faculty recruitment in IIT. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel. There is a faculty recruitment going on in IIT Indore. This advertisement will published on 6th of March 2021. They have requirement of professor, associate professor and assistant professor in various departments. Now we are going to see what are the departments where they have vacancies. They have vacancies for assistant professor, associate professor and professor in astronomy, astrophysics and space engineering for different areas. The areas are given here for space engineering, space electronics, satellite navigation, communication satellite. Likewise for associate professor and professor, they have vacancies for biosciences and biomedical engineering for all assistant professor, associate professor and professor for different areas. For civil they have vacancies. For computer science also they have vacancies. For electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, metallurgy engineering and material science, chemistry, mathematics, physics and the School of Humanities and Social Sciences. Now we are going to see what are the minimum qualification and experience required for that. For professor, if you have PhD with first class or equivalent grade at the preceding degree in the mentioned area of a specialization of concerned department or a school with excellent academic record throughout and outstanding research output, then you can apply. And with educational qualification, you must have minimum 10 years of post PhD teaching and research or industrial experience, or their combination of which at least 4-year experience should be at the level of associate professor in an IIT, IISc Bangalore, IISER, IIM, NITI Mumbai, or in any such Indian or foreign institution of comparable of higher standard as ascertained by IIT Indore. Other requirement, you also have demonstrated leadership skill in research in her or his area of specialization in terms of supervision of PhD and PG student, a sponsored research and consultancy project. You must have good quality research output in terms of grant of patent, authorized books and or book chapters, publication in high impact factor journals, highly reputed conference proceeding. Next, they have for associate professor, they also have same educational qualification, means PhD with first class, but experience required for associate professor is 6 years of post PhD teaching and research or industrial experience of their combination, of which at least 3 years should be at the level of assistant professor or senior scientific officer or senior design engineer or equivalent. Other requirement, you must have guided PG or PhD student and having some good quality publication in high impact factor journals and highly reputed conferences. You must have some authored book or book chapters. Applicants must have expected to have experience of development of laboratories and course curricula, experience of organizing TechCube and QIP courses and other academic and outreach activities. For assistant professor, if you have PhD with first class or equivalent grade at the preceding degree in mentioned area of a specialization of concerned department or a school with excellent academic record throughout and outstanding research output, then you can apply. An applicant for an engineering department should have done at least BE or BTech or BS engineering or integrated MTech in relevant department and preferably ME, MTech or MS research in the relevant specialization of concerned department. You must have 3 years of post PhD experience. This is for assistant professor grade 1. For assistant professor grade 2, there is nothing not required any like experience. If you have PhD with first class, then you can apply for that assistant professor grade 2. They have different pay level for all professor, associate professor, assistant professor grade 1 and grade 2. You can see minimum basic pay for professor is 1,59,100, for associate professor 1,39,600, and for assistant professor grade 1 1,01,500 and grade 2 70,900. If you include HRA, then these all minimum basic pay will differ. facilities and allowances. You will get relocation allowance, accommodation facility, medical facility, in-campus education and daycare facility for children, cumulative professional development allowance, children education allowance, communication charges, newspaper expenses, SBI group insurance scheme. Reservation relaxation is as per government norms. General instruction: if you have applied against 2019 advertisement or earlier ones, need to apply afresh. Those who have sent earlier their application or CV through email must apply against this advertisement. You have to apply online only, no offline will be communicated. If you want to apply for more than one position, then separate application will be submitted for each. Educational qualification, experience, other requirement and age limit mentioned in this advertisement will be reckoned as the last date of online submission of application form. Institute reserves the right to fill or not to fill any vacancies of this all. If you will call for interview, then you must have to go with all your original degrees and certificate. If you miss anyone, then you will be disqualified. You will be given to and fro airfare by economy class or second AC rail fare from nearest city of the residence in India by shortest route. If you want to apply from abroad, then you can be interviewed by video conferencing and no reimbursement for travel for such applicant will be made. No interim correspondence whatsoever will be entertained from applicants regarding conduct and result of selection process and reasons for not being called for interview or selection. If you are employed in any government or semi-government or autonomous body or institution, then you have to send your application through proper channel and you have to produce NOC. Application fee for SC/ST and SC/ST applicant and faculty applicant from IIT Indore, there is no fees required, but for others, OBC, PWD, EWS and female applicant, you must have to pay 500 and others 1000. Application procedure: you have to apply online. Certificate and relevant document are to be uploaded in PDF file in the online application portal. Also upload PDF files of up to maximum 10 best research paper. मतलब आपको यहाँ पे जो भी सर्टिफिकेट वगैरह उसके साथ साथ आपको जो भी रिसर्च पब्लिकेशन है वो भी आपको यहाँ पे सेंड करना पड़ेगा. जब ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन पूरा फिल हो जाएगा, सबमिशन हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आपको उसको क्या करना है, इसका हार्ड कॉपी आपको सेल्फ अटेस्टेड करके आपको सेंड करना है. ये जो आपको एड्रेस दिया हुआ है उस पर बिफोर 15 अप्रैल 15 अप्रैल इज लास्ट डेट फॉर ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन एंड हार्ड कॉपी सबमिशन last date is 30th April 2021. The applicant should retain a copy of filled application form for future reference. आपको अपने साथ में रखना है. और the referee should be requested to send the reference letter by email. उसमें कुछ रेफरेंस आपसे मांगा गया होगा, वो रेफरेंस लेटर आपको सेंड करना है fsc.recruit@iitindore.ac.in or by post also you can send. If you have any query, then you can contact on these numbers. So that's all about today. If you have liked the videos, please share it with friends who have required this, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. धन्यवाद.